Today, I'll show you how to turn off Gemini on Android. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Turning off Gemini on Android usually means switching your phone back to Google Assistant as the primary assistant. Google's official Gemini help says you can do this directly from the Gemini app. And when you switch back, Hey Google and your usual assistant shortcut will use Google Assistant again. To get started, open the Gemini app on your Android phone or tablet. At the top, tap your profile picture or initial, then choose Switch to Google Assistant. After that, tap Google Assistant, and in the confirmation box, tap Switch. Google lists this as the normal built-in method for changing back from Gemini to Google Assistant on Android. If you don't see that option right away, there's another path. Google's Android setup guidance says you can also manage this from device settings by going to Apps, then Assistant, then Digital Assistants from Google, and choosing Google Assistant instead of Gemini. That works on supported Android devices where the Assistant setting appears in the system settings. Once you switch back, Google says Google Assistant becomes your primary assistant again. That means when you say, Hey Google, or use the touch shortcut, Google Assistant responds instead of Gemini. Google also notes that you can switch back to Gemini later if you change your mind. There's one more thing to keep in mind. On some devices, Gemini and Google Assistant are still both available because Google's full Android transition has been delayed into 2026, so older phones may continue to support switching between the two for now. And that's how to turn off Gemini on Android. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.